Clip 98, percentage word problems. So the first couple of sets of questions on this are quite easy. The third one is really difficult. So the first one is 1,200 students in a school, 51% are female. How many are male? Well, the first thing to decide is there's two ways you can do it. Either decide what percentage are male. So 51% are female and 49% must be male. So you can then work out 49% of 1,200. Or you can work out 51% of 1,200 and take it away from 1,200. I think working out 49% of 1,200 is easiest. Right, of is the same as times. So on your calculator, you want to find the percentage button. So my percentage button is there. So I do 49 second function percent. I can't do it that way. So I've got to do 1,200 times 49%. So if you've got a Casio, you should be able to do 49% times 1,200. If you've got a Sharp, then 1,200 times 49%. And that gives you 588 male. Second one. This is one that's relevant at the minute. A lot of you will be watching films on TV, Netflix. 9,800 films on Netflix, 5% are horror. How many are horror? This is a straightforward question. You just need to work out what 5% of, which is times 9,800. So, your calculator. Remember, I've got to do it 9,800 times 5%. So 9,800 times 5 second function percent, which is 490. Right, the third question. So Colin invests. That means it's going to go up 2,350 into a savings account. The bank gives 4.2% compound interest. Interest is when the bank pays you money to put your money into their bank. Compound means you leave it in and you get interest every year again and again. So if I was doing it for a year, then I'd do 4.2%. Now, there's a couple of ways of doing this. The easiest way is to use the multipliers that we've done so far. So 100% plus 4.2% is 104.2, which is 1.042 as a multiplier. So if I times a number by 1.042, I will get an increase of 4.2%. So after year one, after the first year, if I did that calculation, I'd get how much I would have after a year. So 2448.7. Well, in the second year, you also get 4.2%. So I'd do 2448.7 times 1.042, and I would get 2551.54.54. Keep all your digits to keep your accuracy. Then year 3, 2551.5454 times 1.042, because you get the same percentage again, times 1.042, and I get 2658.710307. And the same thing for year 4, 2658.710307 times by 1.042. 2770.37614. Now that's the first 4 years. Now he invests for 10 years and he gets 4.9 for the rest. Now this seems to take ages to do this. So here's a quick way. Take your amount and then times by, and you've got to do 1.042 times 1.042 times 1.042 times 1.042. That would get you the same answer as this. Let's just try that. 2350 times 1.042 times 1.042 times 1.042 times 1.042, and I get that, which is the same answer. So what's the same as times and 4 of the same thing together? Well, that is times by 1.042 to the power of 4. Now if we use the same process to do this 4.9, how many more years have we got to do? We've got 6 more years to do. So if I did times by and then get a multiplier for 4.9, well, if that's 4.2, this one's going to be 1.049. If I did that in my calculator, I would get the amount I've got at the end of 10 years without having to do every single step separately. So how are you going to get the power button on your calculator? So 2350 times 1.042. Now that one there says yx. You might see it as that. And you can put the number in there. So if you've got a Casio calculator, you probably see that one. All the others, you'd see that. So I'm going to do that, which puts a little hat on it, and then 4, and times, and it's 1.049, another 6 years, power of 6, and that gets me that answer. So answer is 3691.404. So it's 2 decimal places, 40, it wants the nearest pound, well 40p is below 50p, so it would be 3,691. If you manage to get that question, you're doing really well, because there's a lot of information in that question. It jumps really quickly from there to there. Again, if you've got any more issues, watch the video again and again, or go on to the Hegarty videos as well and watch them.